Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Upgrade customer support. So first you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top there is address bar. You need to type down upgrade.com and enter it. And once you're inside this home page, you need to go to this help in the top right. From the help, if you have any issue with your credit cards, personal loan, home improvement, then simply open it. And over here, you can find all of the articles here. And if you find any relatable articles about the personal loan, you can open it. And from here, you can find the instruction. You can simply follow the instruction. And if you prefer to speak with a representative, you can call the Upgrade customer support at 844-319-3909. And before contacting, make sure you have your account information ready for verification. And that is it. That is how you can contact Upgrade customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.